In this video, we will be going over Grifform's quote request form. The left side of your request will review your options that you have selected while submitting a quote through our website. On the right side of your request, your pricing is broken down into 4 color group pricing options. The 4 color groupings there are is A through D, A being the least expensive and D being the most expensive price group. The price of your request is the total of whichever color group your color selection has been made in. To request a color change to a different color group price range, view the attached color list PDF attached to this email and respond requesting a color change to a different group. Below your product total pricing is your estimated shipping costs. This charge will be added on to your product total's price and will not be finalized till exact shipping weights have been measured. With any questions regarding your quote request form, give us a call at 541-496-0313 and we'd be happy to assist you. Thank you for submitting a quote with Grifform Innovations, and we look forward to working with you soon.